Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to get dark mode on Snapchat. As you can see, dark mode looks much better than the regular light mode Snapchat has. And especially at night or in low lighting, using Snapchat in dark mode will be much easier on your eyes. So here is how to get Snapchat dark mode on your phone. Open Snapchat on your iPhone or Android phone, and then tap on your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. Now tap on the gear icon from the top right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on the App Appearance option. Now to enable dark mode on Snapchat, you have two different options you can choose from. The first option is to match system. So for most phones, this means Snapchat will go into dark mode at night or whenever dark mode turns on your phone, and will stay on light mode the rest of the time. If you want Snapchat to always stay in dark mode, then tap on the Always Dark option. And as you can see, Snapchat dark mode will be immediately enabled on your phone. Every single screen will contain Snapchat dark mode, including the Snap Map. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this. Also, like and share this video.